Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we will explore a captivating journey into the world of handcrafted wood. Join me as we unearth the beauty and delight that comes from transforming natural materials into art. Imagine a piece of wood, once part of a towering tree, now finds itself in the hands of a skilled artisan. With each tool stroke, the wood reveals its hidden character, the intricate grains, and unique patterns, whispering stories of the forest. The call of nature is powerful. It invites us to reconnect with the environment around us, and what better way to do this than through handcrafting? Handmade wood pieces carry more than just aesthetic appeal, they embody the essence of the trees, each a testament to time and growth. The process starts with selecting the right wood. Each type brings forth its nuances, both in look and feel. Today, I'll share some insights into what makes different woods unique, and why it's essential to choose sustainably sourced materials for our projects. Let's explore the beauty of strong and durable woods, which often feature stunning grain patterns that make them favorites among craftsmen. Some are known for their rich tones, elevating any creation, while others are versatile, suitable for various projects. Have you ever thought about how the type of wood you choose can affect your mood or the vibe of a space? The journey from raw wood to a finished piece is transformative. Each project starts as a blank canvas, just waiting for your creativity to take over. Whether it's crafting a dining table where friends gather for meals or creating decorative pieces that spark conversation, every handcrafted creation holds the potential to become a cherished memory. Now, let's discuss some techniques that will help you along your woodworking journey. One essential technique is joinery. Joinery is the method of connecting pieces of wood in a way that ensures strength and stability. Traditional methods showcase not just craftsmanship but also grace in design. Ever heard of the art of charring wood? This technique enhances durability and aesthetic appeal, becoming increasingly popular, especially for exterior uses. It provides a unique, striking finish that can withstand the elements. As you work on your projects, remember sanding is your best friend. Take the time to sand your pieces thoroughly. This simple step can significantly enhance the feel and look of the finished product, making it smooth to the touch and inviting to all who see it. As you explore the process of crafting wood, consider how each piece reflects your personal story and style. Every scratch, every finish, tells not just about the wood itself, but about you as an artist. Feel encouraged to incorporate elements of your life into your designs, connecting personally with the materials you use. Art can be therapeutic. The tactile experience of working with wood and the satisfaction that comes from creating something with your hands can be incredibly fulfilling. Let me encourage you to take a moment, set aside some dedicated me time to explore your artistic side. Have you thought about taking on your first project? A small cutting board or a decorative shelf could be excellent starting points. As we round out our exploration today, I want you to take away two key messages. First, embrace the materials around you, and second, find joy in the process. The satisfaction derived from working with wood transcends the final product. It's about creating, discovering, and connecting with nature. Here's where I encourage you to take action. If today's video inspired you, please like it and share it with friends who might benefit from this joyful journey into wood craftsmanship. And don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more insights, tips, and engaging content dedicated to the art of woodworking. As we continue this journey together, I can't wait to see what you create. Share your projects with us in the comments, and let's build a community of passionate woodworkers. Remember, every creation comes with opportunity for artistic expression, sustainability, and connection with our natural world. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay connected to the beauty of handcrafted wood. Happy crafting!